you know, even in the snow, we are all addicted to something. Ha ha. I mean, there's a natural addiction, like breathing in fresh air. Because if we don't do that, ooh, then do beware. But beware of the other one, the external one, the one that's not natural, like the drugs and the sex and the all the things that you do not need. But it's all about making a conscious choice and using and standing up for your voice. If the woman comes along to keep you down, oh, but she sucks a good dick, oh, and fun on the town, well, maybe, baby, you're repeating a pattern. And maybe if you're attacking your patterns with getting old stoned so that you're not alone, that you're high, then don't ask why that nothing changes. But baby, the ranges are far away. And today I'm trying to say you have the choice who you support, yourself or your dealer. Or, I don't know.